Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to question number 13 on the 2017 grade 9 Pascal paper. We're just over the halfway point for this paper, so I would like to take this opportunity to encourage you, if you haven't already, download a copy of the contest. It's the very first link in the description. Try this question out. Try the other questions out before watching these videos. I cannot overemphasize how much more important it is for you guys to practice rather than just watch solutions. Okay? All done? All right. Let's get into it with question number 13. Janet picked a number, added 7 to the number, multiplied the sum by 2, and then subtracted 4. The final result was 28. What number did Janet pick? This reminds me, by the way, of sort of those old mental arithmetic magic tricks that you can do. I'll see if I can think of one off the top of my head. So pick a number between 1 and 10. Okay, pick a number between 1 and 10. All right, now add 2 to that number. Okay, now multiply that number by 3. Okay, now subtract off twice your original number and subtract off 6. Okay, now you should be back to your original number. Isn't that fun? We can do another one. Pick a number between 1 and 100. Okay. Multiply that number by 2. Add on 6. Divide the whole thing by 2. Subtract off your original number and add 1. And you magically have the number 4. We can go a step further. We can even say, before we say you have 4, you can say, okay, think of the letter associated to your number. So A is 1, B is 2, and so forth. Now think of a country starting with that letter. You're going to be thinking of Denmark. Okay, because the 4 goes to D, and not many people can think of Dominican Republic or Djibouti. So people tend to think of Denmark. Anyway, that's enough magic. It just reminded me of that, the way this question's set up, and it's going to be fairly quick. It's just an algebra question. So we're just going to call the number that Janet picked something like X. So Janet picked X, and then what do we do? X plus 7 multiplied by 2. And then subtract 4. And we know that's equal to 28. So we just unpack it step by step. So we add 4 to both sides, divide by 2. And finally, you're going to get X is equal to 9. So what number did Janet originally pick? 9A. And we're done. So I'll see you guys in the next video for question number 14. Told you that'd be quick.